Hey guys, welcome to my scrappiness. Hey guys, it's me again. I'm here for another project. This is going to be a project, a hanging sign. I got this board from Michael's and I've already waxed it. The transfer I'm going to use is this, and this is called Home. So what I'm going to do is put Home on top, and then of course the Home definition down at the bottom. I'm going to use the Chalkology paste in bright white, and also the glitter duster. So basically what you do with this is you open it up. This actually is by Tim Holtz at Stampers Anonymous. This basically is a dry glitter duster. Tim Holtz suggested fill it up to halfway. And again, I'm using a fine glitter here. I wouldn't use a chunky glitter for this. I haven't tried it yet, but I'm going for the fine first. So I'm filling it up halfway. So I filled it halfway. I'm going to put that in and close it up. You basically have this nozzle. This nozzle, you just point it to wherever you want to put it. You can't, don't pull it out this way, you'll break it. Just point it this way, wherever you want, where you want the dust or the glitter to be concentrated, and then press this down and spray it. So just give it some time to pick up the, see, I don't know if you can see, but it is releasing the glitter. So it's just your carrier for the dry glitter. It will go this way and around, and when you're done with it, snap it close like that, and it will snap close. You'll hear it snap. Okay, so let's go ahead and start playing with this project. I'm going to go ahead and write down the backings on the backing, so what they are. This is home, this is family, this is family definition, and this is the home definition. And then I'm going to cut them out using this faint lines. Might as well cut this too. I'm going to move the family and the family definition to the side, and I'm going to work with this. So I'm going to start with putting down home. Just because we have the glitter duster doesn't mean we don't have to catch the glitter. So I will try to find, I'm going to find a piece of paper so I can catch some of the stray glitter after I chalk and glitter this out. So I just need something to catch the glitter at the bottom too. In the meantime, let me go ahead and fuzz this with my shirt. I didn't have my towel again, so I'm going to fuzz this with my shirt. I'm putting the paper right at the bottom here just to catch some of the glitter that's going to fall off, because you guys know glitter will fall off whether we have the glitter duster or not, but it should control it a bit more. I'm just fuzzing the transfer, guys. Okay. I wrinkled my transfer when I was fuzzing it, because I was fuzzing it and looking for the paper to catch the glitter later. Okay, so I'm putting this on top. Make sure that there's no bubbles when we try to ink it. Like I said earlier, I'm going to use the bright white, and let me see the consistency inside. See if we still need to stir it or mix it up. Oh my gosh, everything's like falling into the to my space here, because you should see my desk or the dining table. It's like got heaps and heaps of stuff. It's a little thick. So as usual, we're going to go ahead and add a little bit of water to it to thin it down a bit. Okay guys, it's the perfect consistency right now. It's in the yogurt or sour cream consistency now, so I'm happy. Let me go ahead and start it. So I think that's a lot that we just blobbed there. We're gonna have some extra from this. Oh yeah, it's gonna be lots of extra. I love that noise. Oh my goodness. That happens, guys. Hurry up and clean it up. I went outside the line again. Should be easier to clean because you waxed your transfer. Okay guys, it's time for reveal. Woo! Came out really cute. Very sharp edges. So let me go ahead and start our glittering, because you want to glitter right away. And see how little the glitter comes out. So this is actually, well, I would say invented or made for scrapbookers and paper crafters, card makers. I love how controlled the glitter comes out of it. Oh my gosh. You know how, oh my gosh, paper crafters, scrapbookers, card makers, this is so awesome. You can add more or you could put less. And I do sell this, guys, so if you're interested, it's $5.99 each or shipping. So just imagine having a different color glitter in each one of these bottles. OMG, I'm loving it. Oh my gosh. So it's so controlled, and look at how much glitter, or how, you know, now you don't even have to scoop all that glitter and you know, and not waste too much of your glitter. And that's it. You close it up and put it away. Okay guys, let me go ahead and tap this a bit. See what comes out of it. I'm not gonna worry too much about what's around on top here, because we're trying to dry that. It's the one at the bottom that I want to make sure that I don't have too much glitter at the bottom, because I'm going to put down the second transfer. We don't have a lot of glitter mess right now. I mean, it's very controlled with the glitter duster. You will still have it. Just don't get me wrong, you will still have it, but it's not as much as you would have had if you just poured the glitter on this project. I'm gonna dry this, guys. Take it to the hair dryer and dry it, and I'll be back for the second half of the glittering, or not the glittering, but the second half of the sign, which is the definition. I'll be right back. Okay, guys, I'm back. I dried home, and now we're gonna go to the definition. Oh my goodness, you guys, this glitter duster, where have you been in my life? Anyway, so I really loved how it controlled how much glitter I have to put on my project. Now we're going to go and put the definition at home and the second slap of the sign. So let me go ahead and peel this off. And then I'm going to fuzz it on my shirt again. Remember, guys, by the way, I waxed the board and let the wax dry overnight before I started doing this. And when you wax it, it's easier to take off the chalk. I mean, you can still see a faint residue of this chalk here, but the white chalk that I made a mistake on earlier, but it's negligible, because look at how the board is. It's got this white stuff on it. So it kind of, I'm kind of lucky it went with the board colors and stuff. So now I'm going to center this, hopefully. Okay guys, I have to look. Let me just move this over a bit more. Oh my God, the smell of new transfers, it's just giving me an all-time high. It smells so good. Okay, so now I'm rubbing again, just the part where the image is. Sorry, can't talk and do some things at the same time. Okay, there's something there that's creating that bump. Just want to make sure. Is that on the oh, it's on the wood. Okay. Okay, let's see if the chalk is still, because sometimes it's so dry here in Vegas, the chalk without its lid, and it will like thicken. It starts getting dry. Just try and make sure that everything is stuck down. Okay, guys. Now, this is going to be a lot. I already know that. We're going to take our squeegee and squeegee it out. I think I made my paste a little too runny. Okay, guys, reveal time. OMG, you guys. Oh my goodness. How cool is that? Oh my goodness. Every time, I'm just so happy with Couture. Guys, I've had some questions from some of my friends who were asking me, is Couture only for scrapbookers or card makers or crafters? It is not. It's not just for, you know, people like me who like to scrapbook, who like to make cards. It's for everyone. You know, if you like to decorate your home, and guys, if you have been my friends for a while, I am not a homebody. I do not decorate my house or anything, but it's my, I would say, creative outlet. It could be yours too, because it's so easy. It's so forgiving. As you can see, there's no need to think of creativity when you're working with it. If there's anything that needs to probably some creativity to it, is what color are you going to put on, or what color of chalk or what color of ink are you going to use. So that's basically it. If you see anything that you think you can make a sign out of, like this, I was just walking at Michael's and I saw this and I'm like, oh my gosh, that'll look good for a transfer that I saw or something. You know, I mean, it could be anything, guys. I mean, sky's the limit with Couture. You can do anything with it. So yeah, that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching me create this, learned a little bit about glitter duster, and oh my gosh, I love how it turned out. It is so cool. Now to think where I'm going to put it in this house. But anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed watching. My website for Couture is down in the description below. To find the scrapbook products that I sell, I have a Kiwi Lane website down below. If you want to purchase products that are not Kiwi Lane or not Couture scrapbook items, I have my other group for scrapbooking products and videos at Scrapbooks Hawaii. That's my Facebook group. And of course, I have a VIP Facebook group too for my friends and family, including you guys, where you can order discounted Couture products. I'm offering that only to my VIP members. The VIP Facebook group is called VIP Couture with Scrapbooks Hawaii. I know it's a longish name, but Scrapbooks Hawaii has always been my company since I was in Hawaii. So, and that's what I'm known for, Scrapbooks Hawaii. So anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. I do have a playlist for all my Couture videos and also for my Kiwi Lane videos. Those are my scrapbook layouts with Kiwi Lane. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching, and I'll catch you guys later. Bye!